Welcome back. It's now time for the Business Review. In this week's edition, Daydree Thomas tells us about a company helping Jamaican businesses get their products closer to customers. Jamaica has no shortage of creativity. From handmade products and fashion to food, beauty, and culture-inspired businesses, entrepreneurs across the island are creating products with global appeal. But for some small businesses, the challenge has always been the same. How do you get your product from here to everywhere? This is where Bridges comes in.
Business marketplace and a business management tool that allows Jamaican businesses to have exposure not just in Jamaica, but in the entire world. So a customer in the US can go on Bridges, purchase a product from a small business anywhere in Jamaica, and have it shipped directly to them, to their home.
CEO Vincent Barnett says the platform is different from the traditional online marketplaces because it was built around the entrepreneur, not just the product.
There are two distinct things. One, the relationship is between the business and their customer. And then the second thing is, what Bridges is giving Jamaican businesses the ability to have customers anywhere in the world and be able to operate with the correct tools or the right tools to make them able to compete with Shein or Amazon.
The timing of the Jamaican launch is deliberate. With millions of Jamaicans living overseas, the diaspora represents a major opportunity for local businesses looking to expand their customer base.
We're starting with about 200 local couriers that will be drop-off points for small businesses to be able to bring their product and have it shipped from these local couriers. You don't have to figure out the logistics as a small business. All you need to do is to bring it to one of our distribution centers, and they'll take the product and ship it off to wherever it needs to go. And the customer will have the tracking information as well as the business that is shipping the product.
Creating a global marketplace requires more than just putting products online. Businesses also need two critical things: a way to get paid and a way to move products.
When a consumer from the US, for example, which has been a very difficult thing for businesses in Jamaica, they do not have the ability to get paid directly from a customer. What we're doing at Bridges, we're allowing consumers to be able to pay with their credit card, debit card, Cash App, Apple Pay, whatever modern payment processing.
But building the platform did not come with any major corporate check. The company was built from personal investment before attracting support from small investors.
This was bootstrapped by me and my wife, and in the later stages we had a few small investors.
Those early investors played an important role in helping the business grow. Now, exporting is expected to be a major part of the company's business model, accounting for about 30% of its overall ecosystem.
The goal in the next 5 years is that Bridges is a household name, not just in Jamaica, but in the entire world. And this is how people do business. Bridges should be the norm of how people do business. This is the future of business.
For the Business Review, I'm Daydree Thomas.